Hey everybody, it's Neil. I have like a KVM switch on my computer and it wants to see the monitors on there, but sometimes I have the monitor unplugged or something like that, and this is kind of like a dummy kind of plug. It gives you the thing here. What does it exactly say? It says it is an HDMI, I don't know, it's like a pass-through kind of plug. So, and the way it will work, you can just plug that in there and you can plug an HDMI device in there. If it's plugged in, I guess then it sees it. And if it's not plugged in, it kind of puts it as a dummy. So that's pretty cool. So neat little device here for that. And it says, it says DC 5 volts. So it powers itself and does whatever it needs to do because it gets it from the HDMI interface. And that's kind of it there. So you can see here that, upside down. You can see that's the little device. Pretty cool little thing. So it's gonna emulate, I guess, the 4K 60 hertz RGB. So cool. Thumbs up.